Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, mainland Macau transport. Okay, kind of cool. There's all these kind of metros right here. Go down a little bit, and I'm gonna go back up, and I'm gonna show you how to get to Macau. Those metros are so cool. There's like quite a few more. All right, so this is mainland Macau transport. Let's go see how we do this. Lots of people coming out. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna go down. This will be my first time to take the airport to Macau. So we'll see how it is. That's pretty cool. Okay, and I guess there's going to be a bus here, so we'll find out soon. Okay, so mainland Macau transport straight ahead. I'll show you the sign. So I'm going to take this and kind of show you the view at nighttime. It's about 7:30 at night, so. Okay, looks like we can actually walk there. We got some shops that are closed at the moment, but might be open later. Chicken aisles, okay. This is kind of cool. It's all like a whole little waiting room and everything here. And looks like there's also some huh. Macau. Does it also go Macau? Number one. Thank you. First one is Macau, so we have to go over there. Okay. Oh, number one. Okay. It's kind of confusing. Let's see. This is the bus to Macau? Bus to Macau? Outside, okay. Okay, pretty confusing. But we're gonna... Okay, so they're all telling me that B4. So all those signs for all those things for Macau, none of them are for buses. It's for expensive taxis, limousine taxis. What kind of scam is that? Trying to send everybody there. Then I got some guys walking around in the hallway. And he's trying to tell me that there's no buses, and man, it's like, man, it's crazy. Where do I find a bus to Macau? Over there, thank you. So yeah, there's no signage. There's no signs anywhere here. Okay. Yeah, there's no signs for the buses to Macau. Doesn't make any sense. I know this one says, now here's a sign, mainland Macau transport. What's up with that? So we just took a bus. Now we're gonna go here and let's see. Okay. Yeah, the bus takes about 10 minutes from the airport, and now we're gonna go through one of these lines. Okay, so this is the inside of where we're going, and I think we're gonna go to the shuttle bus. It's kind of confusing. So from the airport you take a bus in kind of a hard to find place. There was no signage for it. I had to ask around a lot, had to read the Hong Kong signage. It was not easy, but I have a ticket to make sure it says Macau. Macau, because some of these can also go to Zhuhai too, so. Okay, so individual traveler, Macau. There are some group travelers. My first time on this one. There's a Circle K, it's kind of a cool building, and I don't know what to expect, so. There's some hot, humid air too. So yeah, I think it's like 45 minutes to Macau. Hello. There you go. Thank you. Yeah. So there's buses that say Hong Kong, and then these ones say Macau. So we're just gonna keep following that. Looks like I put my bags down below, I guess. All right. But yeah, it says Macau on it. Okay. Seatbelt. Seatbelt, okay. Okay, so we just came out of there. And we're gonna drive it down here at my time. About midnight. Okay, Hong Kong skyline. Just getting started here, so 11:55, so we'll keep looking at that clock a little bit. So this is the tunnel part. So this goes up and under from time to time, so 23:58, so kind of curious, this is my first time on it, so the tunnels look nice and clean. Now we're going to come out of the tunnel. There's also like private limousine options too, it's for like 300, which isn't too bad if you had 3 or 4 people with you. 4 people would be about the same price as one of these tickets. I mean, 70 times 4. Okay, we're still in Hong Kong though. Okay, so it's about 12:15, and there's an island in the middle, and we're maybe about halfway across. Maybe I can see some ships and some other, not much traffic. So now we're in Macau. This is the island that immigration is going to be at, and we're going to be in home soon. Okay, so we're on the Macau side, and this is a pretty massive terminal, and it took quite a while just to walk through it. I'm heading over to the taxi and buses. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.